Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Welcome to this comprehensive guide on replacing the front axle seal on your Ram 2500. A leaking seal can lead to differential fluid loss and potential damage, so addressing it promptly is crucial. We'll cover everything from initial diagnosis to final reassembly, ensuring you have the confidence to tackle this repair yourself. You'll need basic hand tools, a jack stands, and a new seal. Let's get started and keep your truck running smoothly. First, ensure your truck is safely supported on sturdy jack stands. Never work under a vehicle supported only by a jack. Next, remove the front wheel. Then, unbolt the brake caliper, typically with 2 bolts, and carefully hang it to avoid stressing the brake line. After that, remove the brake rotor. This clears the way for accessing the hub and axle components, preparing us for the next stage of disassembly. With the brakes out of the way, we can now focus on the hub and axle shaft. You'll need to remove the bolts securing the hub assembly to the steering knuckle. Once these are out, carefully pull the hub assembly straight off. Then, gently slide the entire axle shaft out of the differential housing. Be mindful of any fluid that might drain. Take a moment to inspect the axle shaft for any grooves or damage that could compromise the new seal. Now for the crucial part, removing the old seal and installing the new one. Use a seal puller to extract the old seal. Clean the bore meticulously to ensure a proper seal. Apply a thin layer of grease to the new seal's lip, then carefully tap it into place using a seal driver, ensuring it's seated squarely. Finally, reassemble everything in reverse order, making sure to torque all bolts to the manufacturer's specifications for a secure and safe repair. Don't forget to refill your differential fluid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.